Now, it's your first film with Rajnikant sir.
Yeah.
Have you always been a Rajni fan, or was there somebody else who you really looked up to?
See, I'm not a fan follower kind of things.
Okay.
I used to watch film. I love films, and I'm in Rajni sir film also. I used to watch from childhood. Like it's accidentally. It's not like that. In our environment, build up with Rajni sir films like that. I grown up like that. Like that. We are also. He is a complete entertainer.
Right.
Like whoever actually the age factor. Like his films will satisfy the younger people, child or whatever actually the old people. His films are having those kind of package.
Right.
Like that also I'm a fan of it's not very fan actually people. Like I used to watch Rajni sir film to entertain or whatever actually. He's like a stylish hero like that. But when it comes to me, it might be really shock for me actually how I'm going to do with Rajni sir film. Or I'm really watching films is different. Making film is completely different. Maybe I can enjoy mostly during my institute also. There is lot of world films, art films like Godard or Fellini or something like Antonioni, Tarkovsky. There is a kind of films we are watching it. But whenever I gets down, my mood gets down, I used to watch Telugu films.
Telugu films?
Yeah, I used to watch Telugu films. I will be boosted up with. Immediately after watching the film, I will come out like, okay, today actually we will be happy. Like, it's those kind of things. Like that. If you say it like whenever we are down or whenever if you see Rajni sir film, you will be getting up or something like. You will get an energy or something like. You'll be little bit frustrated up like that. Those kind of things. But if really we want to make those kind of films, it is a big question or something like that. But being a cinematographer, is keep on haunting me actually. What kind of films we have to be or part of or something. Like when we had a connectivity through Ranjit, but I felt it actually this might not be a proper it's not Rajnikant whatever more commercial films or something. There will be a potential of speaking about life. There will be a something like I felt like that.
Okay.
Then I completely believed him, and we started working that like that.
Right. Now you said earlier in the interview that whenever you put a frame, no matter how many people are there, focus will go on Rajni sir. So those incidents must have happened a lot, right? I mean, just in the teaser, even the posters, they look amazing with this new style and all that.
Yeah.
So how did you work with him? Like, did you have to explain him a lot that this is going to be your body language, like your discussions with Rajni sir?
Raj took a certain stance like that because like he had a idea about this film, this scene going to be like this or something like that. But we also while he is writing it, when we are actually planning for a shoot or this or we will always how it is going to become. This kind of question will be there, and we will also have a certain idea about actually how the Rajni sir will speak. But it will completely change when Rajni sir speaks about those dialogues, how he reacts. I during my DA also each and every frames how he reacts for those movements actually. It's like a small we can't usually minor detailing he is doing for his mannerism. Like it is completely you will love it actually. I used to actually after this film I become a very much fan of Rajni sir actually. Okay. It's like before I never been like that. Okay. Like now it's like I'm each and every because I'm a witness of that actually.
Seen it.
Very close to him. Like how he is in the life, how it is completely in the frame. It's very different. And more it's more energy here actually like that. When then only after cut only we can see his age actually. Okay. He is a very little young, older or whatever it is. But when he is in the frame, you can't feel it like that.
Right.
He fulfills it. Right. Like that his energy spreads over the team or like that we are also very boosted like that.
Right.
When he takes the scene or something, it's different way. You will love it actually when you watch it. It might be different from his earlier films. Okay. We are also expecting in the sense because before his films also when he was young he did with the older character also. So now he is in the age of almost 60 or something like that. But now he plays 60 as it is at the younger stage also. You can feel really that 60 also is not down.
Yeah.
He fulfills.
Yeah.
The same way when he is 30 also he is like, there is a difference, you can feel it.
Right, right.
Yeah, when the camera rolls, that suddenly my mind sparked, we are rolling a Rajni sir like that. It hit me like that. That was a sudden sparkle moment actually. After that, Rajni sir makes it comfortable actually. He never gives a gap to actually, because we are mostly we might be very younger people working
Yeah,
with him.
true,
Like the whole team is like that.